Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be going over facial masks. Yes, I am going to be showing you the exact steps that I do when I apply, whether it's a facial mask that you put on, well, you put them all on, so wait, let's scratch that. So it's a facial mask, whether you apply it through a liquid form or if it's a sheet mask. However, I am going to show you the steps that I'm doing to before and after on when I apply them. I feel like this is going to be like a super quick video, but the last time I said that, I had to edit like 25 minutes worth of crap that I took out. So we'll see how this one goes. I told you I'm going to be doing my before and after. So basically I'm going to be doing my facial routine. So I will actually I did a video on that a little while ago on my facial routine. So if you want to see that, I'll have it linked somewhere. It's always a mystery. Is it going to be here, 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 or there? But it'll be linked somewhere so you guys can check that out. But yeah, let's get on with this facial mask. Okay, so you guys ready? So the mask that I am choosing to go over is actually a sheet mask. Here it is. It is the Juice Up Kale Mask by Lab4U. And you guys, I just am in love with this product. Like, I have used a lot of different masks in my lifetime. So this one, I am a huge kale fan, so I might be like partial to it because of that. But yes, I am a huge kale fan, so it's really cool. And what cracks me up is on it, it literally says, mask, don't drink. So it's already warning us, do not drink it, especially if you're a kale lover. So I do like that. And then they say kale juice a day keeps trouble away. So we're gonna find that out too as I continue to use them. But on a serious note, I mean, it was pretty easy. As you can see, like, I tried taping it back together because I actually filmed it yesterday of me doing the mask and everything. And I have to say that my makeup, like applying my makeup today and everything, like, I do feel really hydrated. I mean, I like it. So I didn't do anything different other than the mask yesterday. So anyways, let's get on with what's inside this bad boy. Okay, so literally it is saying Lab4U Juice Up Kale Mask. Says Juice Up Superfood Mask Series provides a juice a day benefits to your skin. Says kale packed of vitamins and beta-carotene is best anti-stress and redness relief treatment for your skin. Tencel Skin Sheet will fit perfectly to the skin, which it did, helping deeper penetration of essence for maximum effect. And then also, guys, I'm actually going to have it linked below, but I did find some testimonies from actual clients and stuff, and it's on the Lab4U website, which I thought were really cool because, like, I have normal to dry skin. And I know I have a couple friends who like get the redness or they have oily skin. So I just kind of wanted to see for myself what the reviews were on that. So I'm going to have that link down below. You guys can check it out. But I did read where they're claiming it took away the redness. They're claiming it was really good for the oily skin, even though it is really, it's a lot of hydration and moisture. So anyways, I'll have that link down there. You guys can make a decision from there. Make a decision, your own decisions. So then it just kind of goes on to the directions on how to apply it, which I'm going to be showing you exactly what I did when I applied it, the before and after. And honestly, guys, but this is me, I've never come across a facial mask where the steps were different. So this can work in anything, any facial mask that you're using. I would definitely check the directions, but sometimes they're not like super specific. Like this one really doesn't go into detail like what you're supposed to do after, other than, letting it absorb all the way. I just want to go in and I want to show you guys, because that's been my struggle, is like when I first started using them, I was like, okay, well, it says go ahead and do this step, and then what? Like, do I do it? So I've always been confused with like the before and after, and then on top of it, well, how the hell do you put it on, right? to begin with. How do you put it on? So anyway, hopefully it'll clear it up. And then also I threw in a little fun fact about like things you can do, because you know, sometimes you gotta wait while the mask is setting. And if you're anything like me, or if you have a crazy life, you know, 10, 20 minutes, something like that, that's a lot of time to take away. So what can we do in that amount of time? I don't know. So yeah, let's head over to yesterday and check out what I did to get the mask on. Okay, so to get started, I am going to get my hair up and out of the way. I'm now going to go in and properly cleanse my face. Now that I've cleansed my face, I'm going to do all the steps up into my facial toner, and I'll do my facial toner and then we'll be ready to do the mask. Different facial routines, different products, whatever it is, just make sure you're doing all of your steps like you would normally up into your toner, and then we're going to apply the mask. I've done everything for my facial routine up into my toner, and now I'm going to apply my toner. It's been 20 minutes, we got some stuff done, and now I'm ready to peel this guy off. Oh, it's so weird. Oh, feels good. And I'm just gonna let it kind of go into the skin. Face feels good. Love it. And then I am gonna let this dry because it's still a little moist, obviously, from the mask. I'm gonna let it dry, and then I will go about the rest of my routine, whatever I do after toner, and then get ready for the day. Okay guys, and that is it. That is how I applied the mask and I used, and what my steps were before and after. Again, always check the directions. They have it there, but sometimes I've noticed on some of these, they're very vague, so you don't know, oh, do I cleanse and moisturize all the way through, or do I just do my toner? Like, what do I do? So Don't forget to check out the comments below also, guys, because I will have the kale mask linked down there. And then also I do have a couple other ones that I am going to be putting down there that I've used, that I like. If you want to see a review on any of those, or if you have one that you've used that you really like, or you have one that you want to try, let me know in the comments below. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Also, please continue to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that bell notification right over there. It's just right over there. And then that way you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.